Good morning, student of class 5th. Today we will complete the chapter number 2 of English literature, a letter from a father to his daughter. On the page number 25 we have to start it, and today we will finish it. So let us start. So first line is there. He has helped me to make the starving, the poor and the oppressed free and happy. Bapuji is in prison, but the magic of his message has stolen the hearts of India's millions. Men and women and even little children come out of their little cell and become India's soldiers of freedom. In India today we are making history, and you and I are fortunate to see this happening before our eyes, to take some part of ourselves in the great drama. Now explanation means here Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru has written a letter to his daughter, and he has just told the importance of everything, importance of humanity, importance of courtesy, importance of freedom, everything he has described in the letter. Now here he said, if you will follow the great path of great leaders, so it means you will not die on hunger, means starving here given, you will not die for hunger, and the poor and the oppressed free and happy. And the poor people, oppressed people means the person who was treating bad treatment to anyone, so they are oppressed persons, so they will be free from these situations and they will get their freedom. And Bapuji, you understand Bapuji, who is Mahatma Gandhi, is in prison. At that time Bapuji was in the prison, Mahatma Gandhi was in jail, but what the message means, he has given a message to the society. He has given a message to the society, and every person, means men, women, children, even children also, they came out of their houses, and now they want India's great freedom, and they are behaving like a soldier of the country. And today, this time, we are making history. It means all the people, they have started revolt of freedom, all the people. And I am very happy, I am very lucky that this time I am just watching the people, they are wanting freedom, and you are also, that you will be also very lucky that you will also observe the revolt of freedom. Now what part shall we play in it? If we are to be India's soldiers, we have to respect India's honor, and that honor is sacred trust. It's not an easy matter to decide what is right and what is not right. One little test I shall ask you to apply whenever you are in doubt. Never do anything in secret or anything that you wish to hide, for the desire to hide anything means that you are afraid, and fear is a bad thing and unworthy of you. Be brave, and all the rest follow. So what part shall we play in it? Now he said, means Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru has written, means what he said, that actually I don't know that what is my role in the revolt of freedom. Actually I don't know. And if we are to be India's soldiers, suppose that I am India's soldiers, so we have to protect our country's respect our country's honor, and that will be very devoted belief is there. And it's not very easy to decide, but easy to decide what is right and what is wrong, but I am saying you how to decide. Means suppose that you are in confusion, you are not able to decide anything, but don't hide anything. Here Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru has said, don't hide anything. It means if you will hide, then you will tell lie, then you will be afraid, then you will be fearful. So don't hide anything, revolt it, whatever you have your decision, you have to share it, then you will be free from. Be brave. Here he said, be brave, and now rest whatever you will do, the people will follow everything. Now second last, you know that in our great freedom movement under Bapuji leadership, there is no room for secrecy or hiding. We are not afraid or what we do or what we say we work on in the sun and the light, even so in our private lives. Let us make friends and the sun and work in the light and do nothing secretly. And if you do so, my dear, you will grow up a child of the light, unafraid and the sin and unruffled whatever may happen. So now here he said, you know, my daughter Indira, that is our great freedom movement. You know that this time great freedom movement is going on, and under which Bapuji is, means Mahatma Gandhi is the leader of the movement. And there is no rule. It means everything, everything what? Everything revealed. No hiding, no privacy, no secrecy. Everything open. And if we will not hide anything, we are not afraid to do anything. We are working where? In the open areas, in the sun and light and everything. Even in the private something is there, so we are making friends, we are sharing it with our friends in the sunlight. And so it means you have to do what? One more thing, my dear daughter, you have to grow a daughter like how? Like fearless daughter, not hiding anything, everything, sharing everything with whom? With friends, with parents, everyone. Okay, then you will be very peaceful and undisturbed, means no problem will be there in future. Now last para, I have written a very long letter to you, and yet there is so much I would like to tell you. How can a letter contain it? Goodbye, little one, and may you grow up into a brave soldier in India's service. With all my love and good wishes, your loving father, Jawaharlal Nehru. So last para, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru has said that this letter I have written very long letter to you. More things are there, more qualities, more characteristics I have given. So, but how in one letter I can write everything? It's not possible. So I am just now completing my ideas. So now goodbye, my daughter, little daughter. You will grow up. My blessing is there that you will grow up like how? Like India's soldier in India's services. Okay. Rest goodbye. My love is there. And now he has completed your loving father. That is completed. Okay. Now chapter 2 completed. Question answer I will give you in PDF. You have to complete it today. Okay. Thanks.